goddamn lighter?
No!
Liar. So would you like to tell us what happened here today?
Well, I was minding my business and all of a sudden the crackhead started gnawing on my ankle.
Anyways, so on to the weather report. So today will be partly cloudy with 3 inches of I don't give a damn, like crackheads white people every day. Like why is he making such a big deal over this? Crackheads white people every single day.
Keep it professional. Keep it professional.
So today will be partly cloudy with 3 inches of rain. Get off!
Look at my leg!
You know what they say? Get up on your good foot.
What?
Just kidding. You have a hair appointment, right?
Yeah, I do have a hair appointment.
First of all, you have to come in here with better energy so you could go outside and come back.
Yeah, is that better?
Very much better. So for today's video, I will be doing Dawn's hair. So lay your hair down so I can work it. So take it off.
No.
Take it off.
No. I'm gonna show you the back, okay? The hell?
Minecraft shit here. PlayStation 2 looking here. Microphone looking here. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Helmet looking here. 8-ball looking here. Turban looking here. Stop!
So if you guys didn't know, I had to do a big chop because my hair was fried,
Died.
dried,
Crucified.
electrified,
Tried.
and laid to a side.
Rest in peace to Dawn's hair. Drop a rest in peace in the comments for Dawn's hair.
Ain't nobody tell me nothing.
Heaven couldn't wait for you.
No heaven couldn't wait for you.
Heaven couldn't wait for you.
No. Heaven. Rest in peace here, Nisha.
This is for my peoples who lost somebody, your best friend, your baby.
So the first step is to get rid of these scraps and gnats.
Yana! Oh my god! Roshana! Hello! Do it nice and gently, Roshana! You too damn rough with these big abominable snowman hands! You supposed to be your soft girl era. Stop doing shit so rough! Now do it gently. Roshana, let me tell you something. Let me tell you. Do not pay with me, cause I will motherfucking go to jail! Do not. Okay, so because she wouldn't stop pulling my hair, and I know she's gonna pull my hair again, I'm gonna get some macaroni. Then I'm gonna put the macaroni inside my mouth and I'm gonna bite down on it to make her think that I snapped my neck. I'm gonna give like a so she's gonna fall for it and she's gonna think that I snapped my neck.
So first we're gonna start by wetting the hair.
Roshana, you thought I died and your first reaction was to turn off the camera and spray me.
I got a little scared at first because like I didn't believe it, but then when I sprayed it and didn't wake up, I was kind of scared.
No, but seriously, do stuff nicely. I just did a big chop. I don't want to have to do a massive chop next, Roshana. Stop doing stuff so rough, for real. You, Roshana.
So we're gonna comb out his hair off camera so we could go faster.
Stop doing shites, man.
So we're gonna get started with our hairstyle. Turn and show them your hair comb, Michael Jackson.
Exactly, Jackson's 5 Pro.
So I'm gonna show y'all what we're using to do his hair. First we have Ray-Wan Eco Styler, a hair bristle brush, a comb, another comb to part, a raffle, and this.
I know you're not gonna put this hot red fucking hair in my head.
Actually, it's hotter. So let's get started on the hairstyle.
You would like me to fuck.
So the first step that we'll be doing is we're gonna part.
Brother,
Take 2.
So the first step is to part out the front because we're doing a ponytail with a bang.
Bang.
So this is the hairstyle right here. So this is our bang, and then everything else here will be in a ponytail.
The ponytail finished?
Shut up.
This better not be ponytail. Hell no.
We're gonna part the bang in 2 sections, and then we're just gonna twist it for now.
Oh Lord, you got that Thanos grip. You gotta braid it so hard. Oh my God. You got that Thanos grip, Roshana. You are braiding this too hard. These incredible Hulk hands be doing wonders.
So that is our
Wait, you see that lime squish? I thought my hair was short as fuck, but look at my hair.
So we're gonna get our eco styler now and put it on the head.
Wait, Roshana, do it normally. Let's show people that you have the ability to do something properly. Do not slap it on the head, okay?
So the first step is to brush up the hair.
Oh. I'm texting my man. I don't want to be a disturbance to you, so I'm just asking permission to, you know.
Oh, okay, that's fine, that's fine. Go ahead.
Wait a minute, hold on.
What the fuck? That better not be my man that you texting. That can't be my man. Okay, sorry. That was an accident, sorry. Come.
You accidentally hit me for brush 4 times?
With tribbles and transitions, the hair is done. Wow. Onion ponytail.
Onion gal, me a true ponytail gal, 2-inch gal, mash any gal face up, yeah!
1 scoop of hair.
1 scoop, not 2. 1 scoop, not 2.
We're gonna take the bobby pin and put in the hair that couldn't make it.
Okay,
We're gonna help the strugglers. So the next step is we'll be putting 2 braids at the front like this.
Let's go. Here, bitch. I'm next. Let's go.
Yep.
I'm next. Let's go.
I have a clip right now.
I'm
Be
next.
quiet.
Let's go. Me. Come on, we got these lights. You gonna see the parking lot. You gonna see the parking lot.
So because you were 2 seconds late, that made my schedule overlap, and that's the fee. It was nice doing business with you, Miss Man.
Thank you guys all for your services, but you're not needed here anymore. Okay.
Did you just split my money between you and Natalie Nunn?
Not mind your business, that's the fee. So the next step is we're gonna plait these 2 hairs at the front. So we took the hair and we separated it into some pieces so we could start braiding. Say yay! Say yay! Chihuahua.
You got that Nigerian braider grip. You gripping on my braids.
So we split it in 3 sections. We're doing knotless. We take the one on the end and we put it on the one in the middle, and then we take the other one on the end. So you just bring the end to the middle, and then we start to braid down. Then you're gonna take your hair and then you braid down a little bit, and then this one you get another piece of hair.
You're giving instructions on how to do knotless braids, but I promise you no one gonna follow this tutorial. You see how my hair look? My hair not even on 2 inches of a ponytail, and you think people gonna listen to this tutorial, Roshana? No one is listening to this tutorial. Start giving instructions. Just do the hair because my hair's starting to hurt.
Damn, shut up.
Sorry.
We wrap around the hair so it doesn't get undone, and that is how to do a knotless braid.
This shit real not full, but I don't understand what it's for. This is no damn knotless braid. This is a not full fucking braid. This got a knot full of full.
So we're gonna do the next braid off camera because the client is complaining. So we are finished.
Roshana, I look like the firefly from Princess and the Frog.
My name Ramon, but everybody call me Rick.
So y'all, the next step is to put on a ponytail.
Y'all, riddle me this. What is the ponytail gonna grip on?
It's detachable. It goes on and it comes on.
Wait, hold on, because that's kind of innovative. Imagine a bitch trying to fight you and she about to grab the ponytail. She thinks she gonna yank you down with it, but the ponytail just gonna like come off. It's like a defense mechanism. Like, alright, so boom, so she gonna pull out the ponytail. Do it. Ah, yaga. When she pull that off and I don't fall down with her, boom, 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 fall in the shit. Boom, 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 boom. Fall in. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Multiple punches because she thought she gonna pull that shit off. She gonna be like, wait, hold on. 50 hits in your face. It's a decoy. It's innovative. Let's go. Stay ready.
So you don't have to
get ready.
So now we're gonna put it on. So the best way to do it is a detachable ponytail. Is to put it on the head so and then flip it over. Then you take a piece and you wrap it around. And that, my friend, is how to put on a detachable ponytail.
We leaving it like this?
You want it left like that?
I thought we were gonna braid it.
Okay, so then we're gonna braid it.
Roshana, I know you didn't take off my fucking... Wait, hold on, y'all. Why is there a ponytail here and a ponytail here too? Fix it. Fix it, Jesus. Roshana, fix it.
We're gonna braid this here and then we're gonna attach it. Anyways, but we'll start braiding the hair.
This is so stank.
So now that we have our braid,
Roshana, you're not gonna put that braid in my head. I don't want athlete's feet in my head, Roshana.
so we put the braid onto the ponytail. You want a bun? Or you want to put it in a bun? So
Roshana, a bun gonna look so stink.
Look.
Roshana, a bun gonna look so...
Is he? Look at it.
Roshana, this is ugly.
It's not ugly at all. The last two steps are to curl the front and do the edges.
Roshana, you mother skunt fucking didn't learn it last time. Anything fucking glued together, Roshana, you do a lot of shit.
Put it out.
Tell me why the flat iron is at 450 degrees!
I didn't on it. I just plug it in. We gotta burn the other side so they could be burned together.
Roshana, no, we don't have to burn the other side because first of all, it doesn't even make sense because I got a bun and a ponytail. Like, this hairstyle is not supposed to make sense, obviously. So leave it alone because I don't want the house to burn down.
Let's just do the edges at this point. Because you have a hairline like a woman, we don't have enough right here. Okay, you hurt. So.
Roshana, why would you give me a taper fade? Roshana, why did you give me a taper fade? Look like shit to me, but hey.
Now let's do the other side.
Wait, hold on.
So now we'll be doing this side of the edges. And ladies, y'all need to leave y'all edges before they leave you.
The hell that even? Oh, Ras, you trying to give me a chemical pill? Trying to exfoliate me. Look how red my skin is. Red, red, red. This ain't for the week, y'all. This is not for the week.
This is for 2 days, not for a week.
Why this edge so damn long, Roshana? That's a whole finger long. This is a division sign or something. You have this bracket looking edge. Turn this into 2. This is a whole finger long. This shit look like a bracket. It looks like a seahorse.
What's the eyes say? Nay!
That's a horse. The seahorse is saying, Weesna!
No, it doesn't.
Yes, the SpongeBob seahorse. I'm sure you know damn well that shit too long too. These basketball player edges. These niggas over 6'4". Make them small petite bitches and not basketball players. Come on. Thank you. No bars. This look good.
Oh, Jesus, Lord have mercy. Roshana did that?
Yes, I did.
Roshana, I have better faith in you. What is this?
Yes, sir. Give it a rate. 1 to 10.
Negative faith?
Hang up.
Yeah, that's a crawfish. You know those front claws they have?
Get off.
Bye.
Get gone.
Hang up.
Here we go again. That stink.
No, it does not.
Hang up, Roshana B. No haters on the call. No haters. No.
What the fuck you just call this? They
Why
got
call
they
no?
one of you like bang things like short and the other one long
Because
and
It's called camp. It's camp.
no, this is called cunt. This looks stink as fuck.
Alright, get off the phone.
Hang on.
Girl, take that shit off. Take it off.
No haters, bitch. Bye.
Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching today's video. Tell me if y'all like this stuff. I really don't care because it's on, so I don't care what y'all.
What fucking?
Tell us if y'all like this style. I don't know what you're doing.
Roshana, I know my fucking.
You ripping it?
Why you rip it off?
Ripping it for me. If you liked it, comment below. And if you didn't like it, tell your mother.
Don't say.
We don't care if you like it or not. We are the trendsetters. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh shit, my hair's starting to hurt. Take it out. 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 Ah. You can't.